In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for e-signature in Pandadoc. We're going to walk through the fastest and simplest path, so by the end, you'll be able to upload a document, add a signer, place a signature field, and send it off for electronic signing in just a couple of minutes. First, in your Pandadoc account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the option labeled New Document. This is where every new file you want to send out for signature will start. Once you click that, Pandadoc will open a new window that asks how you'd like to create your document. Here, choose Select File. This tells Pandadoc you already have a document prepared, for example a PDF, Word file, or another supported format. Browse your computer, pick the file you want signed, and confirm your selection. Pandadoc will upload it and display a preview so you can work with it. Next, you'll add the people who need to sign. Look for the area labeled Add Recipients. Type in the email addresses of your signers one by one. Make sure these are correct, because this is where Pandadoc will send the signing link. Once you've added everyone who needs to sign, click Continue to move on. Now you'll see your document on screen with a panel on the right containing different fields you can add. From this panel, drag a signature field onto the document and drop it exactly where you want the signer to sign. If there are multiple signers, be sure each signature field is assigned to the correct person in the settings for that field. Take a moment to line things up neatly so it's clear and professional. When you're happy with the placement, click Review and Send. This step lets you quickly double-check that the right people are assigned and that the fields are in place. Pandadoc will then prompt you to enter a document name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily find it later in your dashboard. Then click Continue again. You'll now see the email that will be sent to your recipient. Type your own email in the appropriate field so Pandadoc knows who is sending the document. You can also adjust the subject line or message if you want to provide a bit of context, like what the document is for or when you need it signed. Finally, click Send Document. Pandadoc will email your recipient a secure link where they can open the document, sign electronically, and submit it back to you, all online.